Alright, what's up guys? Got another video for ya. We working on the Evo again. Somewhat. Like, sun in my eyes. Alright, hold on. There we go. Boom. That's better. Alright, so it's not an install video. We're actually taking something off the Evo. And it is my mud flaps. They are dying. So I'm gonna take them out of their misery and remove them. Actually, it's this one that's dying. Let me see if I get in it. See, I lost the screw and now it's rubbing and yeah, it looks ugly now. I could just put the screw back in, but honestly, I think I've kind of grown out of the mud flaps and they're kind of getting old and ugly. So I think I'm just gonna take them off. Plus, they're kind of cracked on. Like, that low life right there. So, with that being said, it should be an easy video. We're gonna find out. But let's get to it. So first, it looks like they're just Phillips heads. And so I will just start the car, turn the wheel so we can actually get to them, and then take them off. Well, the screws that went in there, I hope there were none, because I have no idea where those are now. Matter of fact, y'all never heard my car start up. So, it's a double treat today. Got you guys. It's not cold though, it's a warm start. That's my exhaust. That's my custom exhaust right there. Alright, so now let me put you right here so you can see what's going on. Gonna turn her off. Alright. And I guess we just gonna unscrew. Wow, that was actually a lot looser than I expected. 1, 2. Oh, here go the tricky one. Nope, not so tricky. That was actually like ridiculously easy. I honestly didn't expect it to be that easy. Wow. Well, that's how you remove a mud flap. 3 screws, and that's it. That's what it was. All right. So we're gonna move on to the next one. Wow. Oh, gotta start the car again. All right, we move into the other side. The messed up one. Oh, see, to take out this one, we only need 2 bolts removed. Tripod, work with me. I feel like it's gonna fall. Don't fall, no. Better. Now it's out of focus. There we go. And then boom. Now I see how they fell out. That was like really loose. But I mean, they've been in there for two years plus, I think. Look at that. That beautiful smooth surface. Yeah, I ate a lot of this. All right. Screw out. Look, that's gross. Look at this, gross. Look at it. It looks nasty. It did its job though. All right. So there's like a little clip on here that I can't really get off because it's all extra tight. Oh no, it came out. All right. Oh, I think that's the whole bracket thing. Now for this, I have no idea where those screws are. Wow. I don't know. For now, I guess we're gonna leave it like that. For the back, there's also 3, but all right, we don't have to take the tire off. Boom. Alright, cool. And for this one, we can't reach back there really, but we don't have to because it's an L bracket on the rear one. Remember. Alright, see you guys. Boom. So, and then we just unscrew that, and this whole thing should fall. Oh, okay. That's gay. Oh, never mind. We're good. We're good. And that is off. Whew. Look at that. That is gross. So, 1 mud flap to go. My car looks so naked. It's so naked. Alright, let's go to the other side and do the same thing. Alright, so this one's being difficult. See if we can get this. Yeah. That one's loose. This one's. Alright, perfect. And one more. Boom. All right. All of them are off. Ew. Dang. It's so weird seeing it without them. What do you guys think? Mud flaps or no mud flaps? Which looks better? Which looks better? Alright, and what is, oh, I ain't saying. Alright, so for these holes, I'm gonna just have to put these washers back on, or these screws and washers, because I have no idea what screws were there or where they're at. So I'm gonna just put these back in there, figure that out, and then I'll end up replacing it right over. That's just so that tab doesn't come up. All right, so that's done. Now let's pick up those nails so I don't get one in my tire. All right, so it's done. No mud flaps on the Evo. I don't know, it's weird. It looks naked. Like, I guess it's been there for like 2 years, so like when it comes off, it's gonna look weird. But let me know what you guys think. Mud flaps or no mud flaps? Oh, it's so weird. It's so blank. But I also feel kind of bad. That was like really a really short video. So I guess I'll give you a sneak peek to the next video. All right, let's see. All right, let's see what it is. Ha! Oh, that's enough. That's enough. All right, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and thank you guys. We hit 100 subscribers. Shout out to you guys. And if you want to follow my video, please subscribe. More videos to come. Thank you very much. And that's a wrap.